Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from your Shein account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the Shein app. Here it usually opens up in the shop menu, but from here we have to go to the me menu. In the me menu, on the top right corner, there's a little gear icon. We tap on that and it opens up the settings. And here we scroll down, and on the bottom of the list there's a sign out option. If you tap on that, we can sign out just by tapping on sign out again. And that's pretty much it. We have to go into the settings. Let me just show you again. Scroll down, and on the bottom we find sign out, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.